Hey guys, Nate here with Nate's Interactive Auto, and boy do I have something to show you guys today. We're going to test out Lucas and see what this stuff can really do. Heavy duty oil stabilizer. Oil alone is not enough. Eliminates dry starts, the #1 cause of wear in new engines. So let's see if this can stop oil consumption, and let's see if this can help with those knocks and ticks we hear in the engine, because we know those sounds can't be good. So this stuff is pretty thick, and I want to see if this stuff can coat it really well and protect those engine parts. And if I can still hear the banging and beating from the sounds, then you know it's definitely not doing its job. So that's one clear way to determine. And I'm going to give you guys an up close and personal way to listen. So I'm going to use my stethoscope similar to how I did in the previous video, and this is going to give you guys a way to hear that sound really well before and after. So I have that set up and ready to go. Now let's get down to business and let's start this guy up. I want to show you guys the sound before, and then we'll show you the after. Also, I'm going to show you guys, does this stuff really seal an engine? Does it stop it from leaking oil? Well, find out. So guys, let me know in the comments below. What do you think? You think this stuff actually works? Can it stop oil consumption or even help? Well, I don't know about all that, but we'll find out. Just let me know what your guys' experiences with this are in the past. There's been a lot of good reviews on this stuff. A lot of people talking great about it. Of course, you always hear some negative too. So I want to hear what you guys have to say. A good place to start is with the engine vibration. So since this is really easy to see, we'll start with this, and I want you guys to pay attention to the vibration also. So we'll see if that helps with that. Okay, this is the before. Let's go ahead and start her up. Vibrating back and forth. Now let's go ahead and move to the next test and add our Lucas oil stabilizer. Okay guys, we have the engine off. Let's go ahead and add our Lucas oil stabilizer. 20% of the engine's oil capacity needs to be in here. So that would be 1 full quart for, say, 5-quart system. So go ahead and get started. This is some really thick stuff. Okay guys, you heard that sound from the very beginning. You also seen the vibration. So let's take a look at all this after adding the Lucas oil stabilizer, see if we can tell a difference. Then we're going to move on to the next step, which is testing the oil consumption. I can already tell a difference. Look at this. This thing's hardly doing anything at all. It's actually staying still. The vibration's almost completely gone. Where's the sound? I don't hear anything knocking, ticking. I mean, yeah, you have that direct injection fuel pump, which is kind of loud by nature. Move on to the next step. Let's check out this oil consumption deal. You can see I've got an oil leak, and I'm going to add some Lucas oil stabilizer to see if it'll actually fix the leak. Yes, I should replace the seal, but sometimes we have a car that's used, old, not worth investing in. Of course, I love this old car, and that's not necessarily the case, but it's a perfect opportunity to try Lucas oil stabilizer out. We'll come back in a couple weeks or so and check it out. You guys smell burned oil? Well, I definitely have, and it might not be burning inside your engine. It may not even be your PCV valve. It may be it's going on your exhaust, so it's starting to dry up. After adding the Lucas, it's not been leaking like it was, so I'm pretty impressed with these results. As you can take a close look, it leaked on there in quite some time. after doing this test and coming back and checking the results, after 1 month, I would say that it's definitely passed the test. Well, what do you guys think? You guys check it out, and those of you that have tried it, let me know. Tell me what you guys think.